I think I'm on State Highway 28. Garwood going into Cranford, New Jersey. You can see how at the speed limit, 35 miles an hour, I don't have my windshield wipers on, and I'm able to see perfectly fine. Other people, they have theirs on. Or wait until I reach an intersection to get a good look, and you'll see other people with theirs on. You know, if you could take the pickup truck onto the Garden State Parkway, or Flags 444 as I call it, get a quick glance at this Hyundai Sonata without violating this person's reasonable expectation of privacy, and you'll see that he has his wipers on intermittently. That truck up ahead also has theirs on. Turning on Lincoln Avenue, these people have theirs on. They have it intermittently because it's not really that bad. Me, I don't have any on at all. It would be nice if it did it harder to get a better demonstration of it. Make an edit in the film and try and jump over when I'm on limited access on a toll road.